there are, I wouldn't call it a problem, but challenges. Snoring. The snoring, and I love you, Donnie. I love you,
Did he take up snoring as, like, in the marriage?
Correct.
Donnie, I love New Kids on the Block. They were literally my boy band growing up. Babe, you need a sleep study. You need a sleep study. You probably have sleep apnea. Please. If snoring is the real culprit that you've disturbed your Jenny McCarthy sleep, get it fixed. There are many treatment options.